Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start using Cash application on your phone. So first of all, of course, you'll need the Cash application or Cash App application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store if you're using. Then all you need to do, just go and launch the application. So as you can see here, after launching your application, they will ask you to enter your phone or email. So just do whatever you want here. Maybe add your phone or email. So let me just go here and add for me, I'll add my email here. And as you can see, by entering and tabbing next, you agree on the term e-sign consent and privacy policy. You would like maybe to read that if you want. If you don't want to, just go and hit the next button here. So sorry for the interruption, and as I said, all you need to do is just enter your phone or email. For me, of course I added my email here. Then just go and click at next. As you can see here, you should enter the code sent to this email or to the number that you enter. So let me just go and get my code right there. And let me see, let me refresh and see if I get the code. And here I am, I get the code here. So all I need to do, just go here and paste my code. Then let me remove this and click, sorry, let me remove this. Okay, I can't remove it, so just let it and click at next. So as you can see here, I would like to, or you would like to confirm your country. Of course, the Cash application is currently using just on United States. So make sure if it's not working on your country, make sure to use a VPN and make yourself like an United States. So here you would like to link a bank using your debit card. So let's just add here your debit card number. So let me just add mine and I'm coming back. Then as you can see here, you would like to fill all your bank or debit card information. Of course, let me just get mine super fast. So that will be the expiring dates. And of course, if you don't want to do all of that, you can just go here and click at skip. And as you can see here, you would like to add your name. So let me just do this, and your last name, of course. Then here you would like to choose your cash tag, your unique name for getting paid by everyone or anyone. So just click on next. After choosing your name tag, here you would like to add your zip code. So as you can see, here is my zip code. Let's just click at next. And as you can see here, you would like to enter your current address. So enter, of course, the same zip. Here you would like to enter the city. So let me just do this. Of course, here you can do whatever you want. So I'm just doing that to just show you how to create your account. Of course, you just do this, then click on next. Okay, so they are telling me this address is not valid, so let me just try to look for an address or a valid address and then call me back. So after you enter a valid email, that will of course appear to you. Here, of course, you can invite friends and get $15. So if you invite a friend by maybe a name, a phone, or even an email, you will get a $15. Of course, if you want to ignore that, you can just go and click on the X here. So as you can see here, you can start using Cash application and you will be good to go. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye, guys.